Hello and welcome to Routing with the mobile app. Now, personally, I think that routing with the desktop or a computer with Microsoft Streets and Trips is better, but the app does work in case you can't do it that way. So once you're logged into the app, this is your main dashboard. Go ahead and click Inspections. Okay. Now, your inspections list is always automatically sorted by due date. So yellow means due today, green means due in the future, and if you have a red dot, that means overdue. So, let's say you wanted to route by due date. So you go ahead and you click route, and now you tap the orders you want to do, and that'll add a check to them. So let's say I'm going to take everything that's due today. So once you check everything off, you click route orders 6. I selected 6 orders. So now it's going to go ahead and route them for me, and it's going to route them with a starting and ending point of your current location. Okay, so now once it does that for you, you want to hit list, and it puts them in a list for you. So the first order is 71 Darnell Lane, and the dark gray are your orders in which to do them. Now, the big difference between routing with the app is once it puts them in the list for you, you have to manually jot these down. In an ideal world, the app would go ahead and put those orders in your list in the order that it routed it in, but it doesn't do that right now. So once you take the orders and route them, you have to manually jot them down, and then those are your routes. That's your route, So let's go ahead and click back, and now we're back to our list, and it's sorted by due date. Now, I just routed by due date. Let's say you wanted to route by zip code, so I have certain zip codes in my account. Let's say I typed in 10309, which is a specific zip code, and then hit return. It isolates everything in 10309, and you can go ahead and click route. Well, I need to clear this one out. That's why it came back to that. Okay, so if I wanted to do that, click route, and then I can select all my 10309s and go ahead and hit route. Okay, and it's going to route me with a starting point and ending point of my current location. So that's one way to route with the app. Some of my inspectors will go ahead and go to a zip code and route all the orders in a specific zip code, do them, travel to the next zip code, and do it again if they're doing it on the map. With Microsoft Streets and Trips, you can put everything into the program. You can pick a specific starting and ending point, optimize the stops, and print it from there. But like I said, this is another way to do it. It's not as good of a system as Microsoft, but it does work. Okay? And that's pretty much it. So if, let's say, you routed, 25 orders and one of them was 185 Lorraine Loop, you have to search for it. So that's your first house, LOR, return, and all my Lorraine Loop orders are there. Okay, so that's routing with the mobile app. Thank you.